The 2015 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, premium cloth low back bucket seats, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.